Congratulations, guys! Welcome to the channel. This is Austin Digital. So, Ethereum is live on Apple Store now. Okay, so Ethereum is live on Apple Store. So, this is a good news for everybody that's mining Ethereum. Okay, so if you haven't gotten started, use the link below the description of this video and get started immediately. So, in this video, now I'm talking about the Torium Network, how to start on the platform, how to activate your account and proceed with other tasks. Okay, so now first thing first, if you're on the Telegram channel, just click on this link. Okay, so once you open up, you click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up, then you put in your sign up your email address, then you fill in your details correctly. Okay, fill your details correctly. Once you are done, you continue. So now I have account already, so I have to sign in into my own account. Okay, so make sure your referral code is showing for you to get your bonus. Very important. All right, so now I click on sign in into my own account because I already have an account. So I have to sign into my own account and proceed. All right, I have to sign into my own, and boom, this is my own account. Okay, so once you are not signing up, you proceed logging in. All right, then you activate your mining. Okay, this box now, you click on it to start mining every 24 hours, but you can also fasten it by using the boost you see here, right? So let's proceed. Come to wallet. You see wallet here, right down side corner. Wallet. All right, click on the wallet. Click on wallet, then create your wallet. We have the testnet wallet and we have the mainnet wallet. Okay, make sure you write out your seed phrase. Write it down somewhere. Write out the mainnet seed phrase down and the testnet seed phrase. Make sure to write them down. Very important. So on this page also, we have to claim the features every single day. Okay, you have to claim it on every 24 hours. You claim this. All right, so now this is the mainnet side. You can see the mainnet. Now you see what is here. Your balance and transaction history will be moved to your mainnet address at TG in 2027. So guys, we still have a long time to farm this project, to mine this project. Okay, so do not sleep on this project. All right, you click on home, click on home. You see home, you click on home. That okay, you can click on it and apply. Then this one is game center. You can also play the games to get more of the coins. Okay, invite your friends and loved ones. Click on invite friends, then invite your friends and loved ones to the project. Okay, you click on share code to copy the link and the code, because if you just click on only copy code, you copy only the code, but when you click on share code, that means you're going to copy the link and the link with the code automatically. You can see here, right? So just click on copy and that's it. Okay, so that once anybody click on the link, it's going to take the person immediately to the dashboard and your referral code is going to show automatically. So just click on share code to copy the link and the code. Very important. So these are the latest updates on the platform. These people are building, and what they are building is so amazing, guys. It's so amazing. Just stay active on the platform and you are good to go. So now let's continue. Click on settings. By your right hand corner, click on settings. Okay, set up your profile very well. All right, set everything very well and you are good to go. Set up your details very correctly. Don't make any mistake. So you can use the white, light, dark, or system. So let me click on white. Let me see light. Let me see how it goes. Okay, so you can change the background. If you don't like the dark one, you can change the background to white. Okay, dark. We have dark and we have the system also. So I'm using the system. So that is basically how this thing works. With time again, I'll still be dropping videos. Okay, so click on airdrop. On the airdrop section now, you're going to see the task to complete here. Okay, you see the task to complete. You have to complete all these tasks to get more of the tokens. Okay, so complete all these tasks and you're going to any of them. There are S tasks. See the S tasks now. You complete all these tasks when you make a post, look at it. Look, this is how it does. When you make a post, when you make a post on S, you copy your post link, click on the share button on your post, copy the link, then come back to this page and paste the link and then confirm that you have posted on S. Okay, the setting applies to Telegram also. Once you make this, submit the post and you are done. You post it also. Okay, so anyway you complete. Okay, so now works, click on mine, click on mine. Okay, when you click on mine, then activate your mining. All right, activate your mining. Okay, so you can hide your balance, you can put it on, you can hide your balance. All right, so that's it. Now we have the halving, and this is the halving we are now. We are the era 3, and this is it. Currently we are mining 0.8 TOR per hour. Okay, so this is very good opportunity to mine well. Okay, now the next halving now after this one is going to be 0.4. okay, 0.2 to 0.1. so this is the best time to start immediately. This is the best time to stay active and accumulate as many of the tokens as possible. Okay, so do not miss out, guys. Stay positioned, keep on grinding. And now this is the strike. I'm on day 2 now. I'm on day 2. Once you activate your mind every single day, it's going to count for you. All right, so I'm on day 2 now. So guys, stay active on the platform. Don't miss out on this project. Okay, until the final stage. I always say this, that no project is dead, no project is bad. Okay, no project is dead until you will see shut down. That means the project is gone. But as long as the project is still active, they're still posting, they are still interacting with the community, that means it's still active, it's still working. So you have to stay position. Okay, do not miss out until the last day. All right, don't miss out until the last day. So make sure to save your passphrase, very important. Save the testnet passphrase and the mainnet passphrase. Write it down on your notebook, on your jotter, okay, to be on the safer side, to avoid losing your wallet. Very important. Okay, so do this and stay positioned. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exclusive updates like this. Most importantly, click the link on the description of this video and join our Telegram community for more exclusive updates like this. All right, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that once you get notified about my videos. Okay, so that will be all for now, guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.